Wow, look, all kinds of noodles, different noodles. Hello, I'm Miao. Welcome to my video. I'm going to have lunch with my friends. They picked a Liaison Office Restaurant. They know I'm filming a series of these all kinds of provincial liaison office restaurants. This decision was made in very last minute, so I don't prepare very much. I only know it's Shanxi cuisine, Shanxi Liaison Office Restaurant. Shanxi only 500 kilometers from Beijing. If you take the high-speed train, it only takes 3 hours to get there. So maybe one day I will take the high-speed train to Shanxi and film video for you. But now let's try the Shanxi cuisine first. Shanxi cuisine is famous for their all kinds of noodles, different kinds of noodles. But I'm also curious what other dishes they have. Surely we are not each to get a bowl of noodles, right? We have to order other dishes. We don't want only, noodles. So let's go and see together. Here, every provincial liaison office restaurant with a hotel. So this is Shanxi. The Yellow River is in Shanxi province. So this hotel's name is Yellow River Hotel. This one, number one restaurant in Dianping. Our TripAdvisor, our Yelp, our Yelp. Go upstairs. Wow, it's fake one, but looks so real, the orange. Vinegar, I forgot to say, vinegar is also the Shanxi specialty.您好，已经有人来了33桌，好像是。哦，好，谢谢。
33号。
哦。
加。
哦，好嘞，谢谢。
好的，你好，那边。
啊。Hello。哎。Wow, look, all kinds of noodles, different noodles. Wow. Camera eat first, phone eat first. Don't get me wrong, it's not that this fried cake tastes bad. My face probably made it look that way. It just, it's insanely heavy. What I said is, I really like it. Super chewy, just my type. But it's way too high in calories. One bite filled a mouthful of oil, super sticky, packed with red bean paste. Basically a calorie bomb disguised as a snack. It's filled with red bean paste inside. I kept saying it was too greasy, but I still ended up finishing the whole thing. That's the thing with fried food, it's always delicious. I've seen reviews online saying that food here is delivered by robots. Turns out it's actually a little delivery cart, and they still need waiters. The robot just brings the food over, but it can't serve it directly to the table. This dish was considered one of the most successful ones of our meal. The meat was very tender, slightly tangy, yet not greasy at all. I really enjoy sour flavors, so I thought it was great, though my friend might have found it a bit too sour. The next dish, the one I was most looking forward to, the eggplant. Oh, we also got this Irish plate, cold bean jelly. I've only ever had it cold and toasted in sauce before, so I didn't expect it could be served hot. This eggplant looks amazing. Let me give it a try. Sweet and crispy, just the kind of flavor I love. Time to try this cold bean jelly. My friend thinks there's too much garlic in this dish. She really doesn't like it. I don't like garlic too. It's just that having it hot feels a bit unusual, which makes me want to try a bit more. But the best part of this dish isn't the cold bean jelly, it's the crushed bread. We all thought it was the crushed peanuts, but it's actually bread, and it's so crispy and delicious. We were debating whether this type of bread should be called mantou or mo, since mo is a Shanxi specialty. There were two sauces served with a bowl of noodles, so I wasn't sure how to eat it. I asked the waitress, and she said to just pour both sauces into the noodles. One was a tomato and egg sauce, and the other, we only realized after smelling it, was a braised meat sauce. This is so unusual. In Beijing, we don't eat noodles like this. It's my first time seeing this Shanxi specialty. Watching this video now is making me so hungry. Here comes the main event, Yuncheng Hot Pot. Yuncheng is a city in Shanxi province.
你好，再给我们上一碗浇头行吗？因为我们分着吃，谢谢。
It's my first time seeing hot pot among Shanxi specialties. Yes, literally, hot pot is everywhere. This hot pot is so rich and colorful. It reminds me of the one I had in Shanhai. Expect there's no seafood here. Let me try this meatball first. I think it's good. The flavor is so rich. I'm still looking for something new to try. This big piece of fatty meat.
哇，这是什么呀？
The fun for us is digging through this hot pot to see all different meats inside. Another bowl of noodles has arrived. These noodles are super smooth and soft, very different from Beijing's jiajiang noodle. Oh, here comes the dish we regret ordering the most.
有有有。
Guess
你先
what
试
it is? You probably didn't hear, but my other friend, who's off camera, said it's really bad. I'm going to try it and see just how bad it is. It's steamed greens, but it's wrapped in a layer of dough. My friend said it's healthy, but I don't think so. Good vegetables covered in dough aren't exactly healthy. And there's no flavor at all, just a plate of chili on the side. After trying the steamed greens, all the other dishes suddenly felt full of flavor. We were saying that this Shanxi Liaison Office Restaurant wasn't particularly impressive. Everything was pretty average. It wasn't as good as, the Xinjiang one. I think it's because that we are not fans of Shanxi cuisine, and the Shanxi cuisine doesn't have very distinctive flavors. But Shanxi locals might find it more authentic.
Yeah, finish our lunch. See, we ordered also too much, so we will take away the left. And only one dish. This one, no one likes this one. Too much garlic. We cannot handle it, so yeah, we have to left it here. So 怎么样？
挺好的，我最喜欢面条。
面条 noodles here。我最喜欢哪道菜？我最喜欢茄子，this one eggplant。
你是应该最喜欢过油肉吗？
这个也很好吃，也很好吃耶。Okay, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.